I'm Mikayla Kay, working here since 2021. My current role right now is a support center supervisor. Honestly, the people I work with, people are eager to help and you're allowed to ask questions and no idea is seen as a stupid one. It's always welcome regardless from where it's coming from. The women at Metacom inspire me the most. So I will go with Melissa Kennedy, Lee Miller, Taryn Daniels. They all are mothers working here, but also furthering their studies as well. And I think that is something to look up to. The legacy I'd like to leave behind is that of someone that was always willing to assist you and do the work, and also to help your day go a bit easier or smoother, shall I say. Being able to ask those questions and give your opinions on things that can make a difference here at Metacom. As cliche as this will be, is getting the job done. It's the finishing of it all. It's knowing that you can lay it to bed and it's done. The client is happy, the issue is resolved, and you can continue with whatever else is coming your way. Show initiative, ask questions, and be eager to learn. There's a lot of people you can learn from, but you have to be eager. The Metacom way is being resilient, picking up that call regardless of the time it comes through, even if it is 3 a.m. in the morning. We don't just install tech, we teach the market how to use it better. At Metacom, we always go the extra mile.